Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I am here with Cillian, and he is 2 years, 3 months old. He has spinal muscular atrophy type 1. He got Zolgensma at birth, and he gets Risdiplam daily, and we're working on hip strength. So I have him at a bench. I want it to be about the right height to be able to get this activity, and this is what worked for me. I'm putting him from his knees off to one side. I've got him on a book so he's not quite down so low, and we're going over here toward this bunny. Can we go get the bunny? So you've got to go up and over, up and over, up and over. Now if you notice, I've got my knee right here to the left of his knees. So you got that bunny already? To keep him from sliding, otherwise he might slide over. I'm having to help him with that movement. This is something I would want to do on both sides, going both directions. But right now I'm going toward the left. This works the inside and the outside of the thighs. Your cars are next. Let's get the bunny one more time. Ready? Up you go.
Let's start the bunny.
Oh, go catch. What are you doing waking up my bunny? Do not wake up my bunny. You ready? Let's go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, go one more time. You got this. Oh, oh, oh. One of the things with his scoliosis, how about putting your arm over further? Ready, set, go. There we go. Go, 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 go. Is he has trouble looking to the left. So I do have this very intentionally set up so that when he comes up, he has to look left. This is what I call low side sit to tall kneels. And again, you can do this from either side. I have right now a book underneath him to make him not have to come up so far. But the cars are next. But I could do it just as well with a wedge, something that often therapists have, but families don't have. But if I were to set it up with a wedge, it would look like this and come up. Reach a little bit further. We're getting the cars. We're getting the cars. Let's go. This is my mistake. You ready? Set. It's so much going on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I love it. So, side sit, 2 tall kneel, at a bench for support, and with a lot of help from me. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.